Updating your corporate address on Airwallex is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Airwallex account by entering your login credentials on the Airwallex website. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile or Account Settings section. This is typically found in the main menu or under your account name. Step 3. Select Address Information. In the Profile Settings, look for an option that allows you to edit your address information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your address. Enter your new corporate address in the designated fields. Make sure to double-check for any errors to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your address, look for Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure that your new address is recorded in the system. By following these steps, you can easily keep your corporate address up to date on Airwallex. Regularly checking and updating your information helps maintain smooth operations for your business.